and today is day 1. And for his age, he healed very well. This is an elderly man, 52 years old, just did a smart FUE, and today is day 7. Let's see the result today. This is the donor area, elderly man, 52 years old. He has healed very well. Today is day 7. Last week, we reviewed the recipient area day 1. Today exactly day 7. Patient have done a very good graft care. You can see all the microscope is already out. All the grafts in place, in the right density, right angle, right direction. This is the hairline going from here to here. Elderly man, we age the hairline according to his age. This is a matured hairline, and we create some irregularity. This is the window speak, irregularity here to give him the most natural result when the hair becomes mature in a 9 months time when it reaches to the optimum growth.